If you're looking to get the best mortgage possible and more importantly, actually understand what you're getting, then working with a mortgage broker is an absolute must. Now, the debate between going directly to the bank or using a mortgage broker has been settled long ago. Banks simply cannot compete with mortgage brokers due to the conflict of interest they impose. How can a company that profits from you be better than one that's just trying to save you money? That's honestly the key difference between using the bank and a broker. However, when it comes to choosing a mortgage broker, there are definitely some things you want to consider. Given that mortgage brokers are completely independent and self-employed, there can be a significant difference in service from broker to broker. There isn't really like a universal standard, so you really need to be diligent with which one you're choosing to work with. Fortunately, that's what this video is for, so please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to be notified, so that way this video can get pushed out to people just like yourself. Now, without further ado, let's dive right on into it. The first thing you're going to want to make sure is that your mortgage broker that you're talking to is actually registered under a reputable brokerage. Dominion Lending Center is Canada's largest brokerage, and that's who my company, White Ridge Mortgage, is registered under. And there are also other reputable companies like Mortgage Architects, Verico, TMG, otherwise known as the Mortgage Group. And being under a reputable brokerage is important for many reasons, but most importantly, for lender access. Not every brokerage has access to every lender, so you'll want to ensure that the broker you're working with has access to a wide variety of lenders, because this ensures that you have the best chance of finding a product that actually suits your needs. Next, you're going to want to check out that broker's reviews on Google. Now, this will tell you a lot about the broker you're considering. See how many 5-star reviews they have and actually see if they're genuine. Now, you could read through the responses, see if they're actually big paragraph answers or just one-liners that was likely requested by the broker for them to give that review. Now, one of the biggest red flags you can see is if they actually have any 1-star reviews. If you think about it, if someone just had an okay experience, they're probably not even gonna write a review. If they had a great experience, they might write one, or the broker might have asked them to. But if they had a 1-star review on their Google profile, that means that client had a terrible experience. And you gotta start wondering why. So see how the response is from maybe the broker, see how they handled that situation, and that can give you a good idea on who you're actually working with. I myself am fortunate enough to have only 5-star reviews, and I welcome you to go check them out. All you gotta do is search my name. I'll put a link in the description as well if you're interested in having my team work for you. Otherwise, no worries, let's continue on for more tips on what to look out for. Next, you can check out that broker on social media. Search for them on Instagram or YouTube. Do they have many posts related to mortgages? Specifically, look for videos or personal photos that give you a glimpse of their personality. This is where you're gonna be able to see if it's actually someone that you might be able to get along with. From my experience in the business for 4 years, I've learned that brokers who create a lot of educational content tend to know the most about mortgages. They're more likely to help you find the best deal because they actually stay up to date with the latest information, policies, rules, etc. And it's hard to really teach others something if you don't know it yourself. So this is one reason why I've been very diligent over creating educational content the last couple of years, and it helps me stay sharp with all the new changes and lender updates. And at the end of the day, that helps me better serve my clients. Lastly, a great way to find a good mortgage broker is to ask a family member or friend for a reference. Now, you gotta be very careful because you're gonna wanna make sure that they've actually personally used that person before. There's a lot of the time people will refer family members, friends of family, just to help them out, give them some business, but they may not actually have any experience whatsoever. So if you're gonna go with a recommendation from a family member or friend, honestly, just ask them if they've used them before themselves. And if not, then honestly, I would even potentially ask a realtor for a referral, because typically realtors only send people out to mortgage brokers that they actually really trust and they know can get the deals done. Because at the end of the day, no one gets paid in this industry before a deal goes through. So any realtor that's referring you out to a mortgage broker is gonna be referring you to a mortgage broker they know can get the deal done. Now, those are the 4 main things you're gonna wanna look out for when choosing a mortgage broker, or tips on how to find one. Now, my team and I would love for the opportunity to help you with your mortgage needs, and whether that's a pre-approval for a purchase, a refinance, or simply a mortgage renewal, our services are 100% free. If this is something that you're interested in, click the link in the description, go to our contact page, fill out the form, and it'll redirect you to book a call directly with me to get started. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button if you wouldn't mind. Like this video, and I look forward to the opportunity to working with you. Catch you on the next one.